Have you ever found yourself in a situation where it seems like people are distancing themselves from you, but you can't quite figure out why? It might be subtle habits or behaviors that you're not even aware of. In today's video, we're diving into the 6 common mistakes that could be making people avoid you. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to turn things around. And number 4 is the one that can change everything. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to keep improving your relationships and personal growth. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, talking too much about yourself. You know those moments when the conversation becomes a one-way street? It's easy to get caught up talking about your own life, your achievements, or even your problems. But that can make others feel like there's no space for them in the relationship. When you monopolize the conversation, people may start to feel overlooked or unimportant. So next time, remember, ask questions and really listen to the answers. Engaging with others shows that you value their thoughts and feelings. Mistake number 2, not being genuine. People can sense when someone is being fake. Whether it's forcing enthusiasm or pretending to like something just to fit in, being disingenuous can actually push people away. Authenticity is magnetic. It draws people in. When you show your true self, flaws and all, people are more likely to connect with you on a deeper level. So let go of the need to always perform and embrace who you really are. Mistake number 3, constant complaining. Nobody likes to be around someone who is always negative. If you find yourself constantly complaining about work, life, or even small things, it can create a heavy atmosphere that others want to escape from. It's important to share your struggles, but balance it out with positivity. A little optimism goes a long way in making others feel uplifted and excited to be around you. Mistake number 4, being too critical. Now this is the big one. Being overly critical can drive people away faster than you think. While feedback is important, there's a fine line between constructive criticism and being unnecessarily harsh. If you're always pointing out flaws or offering unsolicited advice, people may start to feel judged or insecure around you. Instead, focus on offering support and encouragement. A little positivity can create a safe environment. This is the habit that can change everything. Shift from criticism to encouragement and watch how your relationships improve. Mistake number 5, not giving people space. Being clingy or constantly seeking validation from others can make people feel overwhelmed. Everyone needs a little breathing room, and respecting that space is crucial for building healthy relationships. If you find yourself texting or calling too much, or feeling anxious when someone doesn't respond immediately, try to take a step back. Giving people space allows them to miss you, which can strengthen the bond over time. Mistake number 6, failing to show gratitude. Sometimes we forget to express appreciation for the people in our lives. Taking someone for granted, whether it's a friend, family member, or romantic partner, can lead to resentment. A simple thank you or acknowledgement of what they bring to your life can go a long way in making others feel valued. Don't underestimate the power of gratitude in keeping relationships alive and healthy. Remember, small changes in your behavior can make a huge difference. If any of these habits sound familiar, don't worry. You can start making adjustments today. What do you think? Have you noticed any of these mistakes in your own behavior or maybe in others? Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're working on.